Today in this video we will see how to use COUNTIF and SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. Now COUNTIF function is used if you want to count something from a range of data if a criteria is met, whereas SUMIF function is used to sum from a range if a criteria is met. Now this is a sheet where I have recorded all the gold medals that is won by country on different dates. Now if I want, I can use COUNTIF function to count if any country has won gold medal on all the date or not. So what I will do, I will start with equals to sign COUNTIF, and you can see the description counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. Now let me enter a bracket, open a bracket, and I will select the range, and then I will put a comma, and as a criteria I want to find out if this country India has won gold medal on all of this date or not. So if you have to enter a text, then you have to always use it inside inverted comma. So I will close this and then close the bracket and then India. It shows me 3 times. So there are 3 dates here and it shows me 3 times. That means India has won gold medal on all of these 3 dates. So this is the use of COUNTIF function to count from a range if a criteria is met. Now if I want, I can use SUMIF function to find out total number of gold medals that is won by a country on all the dates. So equals to SUMIF function, open bracket, range is this one, and then comma, criteria, I want to see how many gold medals is won by India, and then close. Always use the text inside inverted comma, and there is some range, so I have to select from here until here to find out the total number of gold medal won by India, and then close the bracket, enter. 14, so 5 4 9 9 5 14. So this SUMIF function is used to sum from a range if a criteria is made. Now there is another one function which I want to use, that is COUNTIFs. So with COUNTIFs function, what I can do is, if I want to see how many times a particular country has won gold medal, more than 4 or more than 5, then I can check it. So equals to COUNTIFs, open the bracket. So I will select the country at first as a criteria, and then I want to see how many times India has won more than 4 gold medal, close it, and then comma, and I will select this range and then comma, and if I have to see how many times India has won more than 4 gold medals, what I can do, I can open inverted comma again, more than, greater than 4, close the inverted comma, and then close the bracket, and then enter. It shows me 2. So on first, India has won more than 4 gold medal, on second it has won only 4, and on third it has won more than 4. That means 2 times it won more than 4 gold medal. Similarly, if you want, instead of greater than 4, you can make it greater or equals to 4, enter, and you can see India won 5 on first, 4 on second, and 5th on third. So it won more than 4 gold medal 3 times. Now suppose if I make it more than 6, more than or equal to 6, it shows me zeros because India didn't win any 6 gold medals on any of this date. So this is the use of COUNTIF function. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.